Hello world. Hey cyber newbies, this is Cyber Noob here. I'm super excited of bringing this new content to YouTube about a beginner's journey in the cybersecurity world. I know that a lot of you will love to be part of the cybersecurity and may want to learn about it, so this is the perfect channel for you. The reason why I want to do this channel is because a lot of people have approached me and asked me, hey, I want to switch careers, but I don't know how do you do it? Or I want to be part of the cybersecurity, but I think I'm too old. No, nobody's too old to learn something. You're never too old to switch careers. And this new journey in the cybersecurity world will help us tremendously because the same questions that I'll have, and I'll find the answers for you. So I think it will be pretty cool for us to do this together and really embark in that journey that sometimes is completely difficult, but with more people, the easier it is. So since we're both noobs, you and we're noobs at this, then it's easier for us to go into that journey. And if you're an expert or you have a lot of experience, please also follow us because it would be great if you can give us advice and if you can give us places or sites that we can look at and enhance our skills. I'll be posting videos about books that I'm reading or that I'm gonna read or that I've heard of that are awesome, sites that I use, courses that I take. I'll shoot videos on war games and capture the flag. It will be cool because we can actually do it together. Maybe we can do something live and play together. It would be pretty cool. Because that really helps out. And in another video, I will explain why war games and capture the flag can help us a lot in the cybersecurity world, and also my journal into how everything is going. So if you want to be noobs together with me, then follow my channel and subscribe. And if you like this video, then hit like. So this is it, cyber newbies. Till next login. Bye.